Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student Brand. Today we are going to discuss about electricity. So remaining classes, remaining time, I'm discussing 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock and remaining time. You can see magnetic electric current. So I took. So there's a class. Now I'm going with the electricity. See here, problems are no. So we are working on problems. But once again, I will explain the chapter. Once again, I will explain the complete chapter, electricity chapter. Electricity chapter, I will explain. Hey, hi Shem, very good. So nice. So electricity chapter, I will explain now. Okay, so we'll work out on electricity. Complete electricity chapter, I'll try to cover it. I'll try to cover it a complete electricity chapter. So if it is possible, so I'll try it. If not, I will continue the next. So electricity, few classes continuously if you are working, then you will be perfect. Okay. So then we can work on remaining chapters. I will tell. So how to prepare. So anyway, according to the sequence only we have to prepare. But so if it is required, so we can break the series like a sequence. Here in light reflection, refraction, light reflection, and refraction, and refraction, and refraction. Second one is human eye and colorful word. Human eye and colorful word. Colorful word. So and coming to third one, electricity. Electricity. And fourth one, magnetic effects of electric current. Magnetic effects of electric current. Electric current. So these are the four chapters. These are the four chapters. We are working on it. These are the four chapters. So once again, you can check once. You can check once. Light reflection and diffraction, human eye and color fluid. So electricity, magnetic effects of electric current. So once again, light reflection and refraction, human eye and color fluid, electricity, magnetic effects of electric current. So these four chapters. Among these four chapters, so here this chapter is completely based diagram based. So 5 marks question expected. 5 marks question expected. So even here also we can take. So from electricity chapter also sometime. Electricity chapter from light reflection diffraction, so we can go for a 3 marks question. Okay, so and the overall weightage is 13-12. So light chapter, you can see this is completely about light. So light reflection diffraction and human and color fluid. So in plus 2 it is combination is there. So overall we can say light chapter. So that is nothing but we can go with that complete light reflection refraction human and color fluid, 13 marks, and this one 12 marks. So 1 mark maybe that, so vary, so it's fine, no problem. So equal weightage will be there, so you can consider as it is equal weightage. Okay, so light reflection refraction, human and color fluid, electricity, magnetic effects of electric current. So these four chapters we need to work a lot, because these chapters are very very important, and especially human eye. It's very easy chapter. So easily you can get marks from human eye and color fluid. So electricity we have to do problems actually from this chapter. So there is a 50-50 chance, I also already said. So problems we have to do along with the theory. So remaining chapters problems are not there, I mean, so problems are there. So problems are there, we have to do it, but So mainly if you concentrate here, so remaining chapters you feel easy. So this is also diagram based. These two chapters are this chapter also diagram based chapter. So related to diagram based questions will come. Okay, from these three chapters, so light reflection, refraction, human and color fluid, magnetic effects, electric current. So these three chapters, diagram based questions. So almost, so if they ask in the exam, maximum diagram based questions only they will ask from this one, two, three. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3. So this one from light reflection, diffraction, human and color fluid, and magnetic effects, electric current. So these three chapters completely so diagram based questions they will ask. So here from electricity there is a 50-50 chance. There is a 50-50 chance. That is nothing but, so they may ask problem also, problem they will ask, and theory. So 50-50 chance is there. 50-50 chance is there. So problem and theory also, and theory along with the theory they may ask. So here we can expect from light reflection, diffraction, human and color fluid, magnetic effects of electric current. Few questions are there. Damn sure questions are there. Sir, will there be questions to draw electric circuit from electricity? So actually from we can draw the generally resistors are series, resistors are in parallel. Electrical appliances, coming to electrical appliances, so cell, battery, switch, related to that they will ask. So related to resistors are in series, resistors are in parallel, resistors are in series, resistors are in parallel. Coming to those type of questions they may ask. But generally problematic means coming to electricity bill, to find the electricity bill, and related to Ohm's law, and related to potential difference and electric current. So related to these questions they will ask generally. So problem and Ohm's law coming to from electricity chapter. Few questions even we can expect also, but generally even though if you expect the questions, expect the questions, one or two slight difference will be there. One or two slight difference is there. Over this many years, I observed previous years papers. I observed previous years papers. So previous years papers I observed. All the papers, overall all the papers I observed all the questions. So very simple questions, very easy questions, fundamentals, basics they will touch. Basics they will touch. That is nothing but whether you are able to write, the fundamentals. So initially they will ask about fundamentals, how strong you are there in the fundamentals, basic concept. So especially light reflection and diffraction, so the fundamental concepts they will ask, and in human and color fluid also, see applicative based questions are there, so those type of questions they will ask. And electricity theory plus problem. That's why I am giving classes this many days. Okay, I'm conducting the classes over this many days. The reason is, so from electricity at the end, so you should not feel anything. So in the previous years, if I see in the previous years, whenever I'm teaching, so students asking at the end moment also, so we need to practice electricity. So remaining chapters are easy, so we need to practice electricity. So the concern is, from starting onwards we should take care. We should put some effort. Okay, so some effort on electricity, then only we can get it. Simply so okay, we will practice at the end, so we'll work out at the end, so anyway it will come. So if you practice one time, two time, automatically we will get it. No, not like that. So concept plus along with the concept you have to do problem. That's why only from electricity chapter, even though light chapter problems will come, human eye problems are there, even magnetic effects of electric current only one or two, that too electricity problem related questions only may come. So only electricity only I wrote so nearly 2 books, so related to problems, related to problems, complete problems here. Okay, so all models will cover. That is the reason we need to practice. That's why I wrote 2 books. That too, complete only problems. No theory questions. No theory question. No single question is not related to theory. Single question is not related to theory. Completely all problems only. All problems only. So I wrote here. So here you can see in this book. So I am writing theory questions, electricity only, theory questions as well as problems combined only. So because theory questions also they will ask. A few questions are there. Theory questions also available. So theory questions also I'm writing. So along with that, that is the reason we are practicing. So we are working so hard. Sir, why you are taking this many classes on electricity in the sense? So remaining chapter, see, remaining time I am taking classes. So if we are getting like that time is going on, we need to practice, we need to work out means remaining time 6 o'clock I am taking the classes. So I'm planning to take in the morning class around 5:30, 5:30 or 6 to 7 like that. I'm planning early morning because college and schools timings are different. So that may be not possible. That is the reason I am not planning in the morning class. But evening classes I'm planning. Evening classes I'm trying to plan 6 o'clock. Remaining chapter today I thought. Magnetic effects of electric current, complete chapter, and human and colorful world also I'll explain. So human and colorful world. Hi Shweta, how are you? So yesterday you went suddenly, so now you came. Very good. So be in the class continuously, take some time. So half an hour or 40 minutes because I'm explaining topics, important topics, so you can practice. So try to be in the class at least sometimes. Okay. So plan accordingly. So maybe we have some busy schedule. We have to plan remaining subject also. I agree. I respect time. So try to be in my class at least 40 minutes. Okay. Or 30 minutes. So I'll teach in the best way possible. My name is Tanishka. Tanishka, do you know me or only online? Because my students' names also continuously will come like that only. So because over a 10 years experience, so these names are there. That's the reason. I hope you don't know me. Online only. Very good. Okay, done. Are you CBSE student or some other student? Grade 10 or yeah, very good. Done. Great. So we'll continue. So I'm requesting. So as of now, my regular students, one is Ayush and another one is Shivani. So they are following my classes. I hope I'm expecting you also in class. Okay, I will teach in the best possible way all the topics, all the notes, whatever I'm writing, that content I will provide. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. So you can clear. No, I'm uploading the videos also, online videos also. So based on these 4 chapters, so in detail videos are there. You can check in the playlist light reflection refraction videos I provided. So I uploaded that too. One is 52 minutes, another one is 44 minutes. One video notes. It's actually I written 8 notebooks. 8 notebooks I wrote. Those notes I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to do it. How can I provide any other options? So I'm providing. I will try to do it. I will try to do it. Otherwise, everyday class notes I'll upload. Everyday class notes I'll upload at least. So you can check in the comment. Okay, community post. I'll try to do it. Uh, okay, okay, Vash. Surely I'll do it. Surely I'll try to do it. Okay, that I will PDF format. Okay, Tanishka, and I'll do it. Tanishka, I'll try to do it. So, Shivani, are you there? I think WhatsApp way is better. Okay, Shivani. See, as of now, you 3 students are continuously following. So So definitely my best possible way I will convey all the chapters. I will try to work out on the notes also, because this is notes is very valuable, very productive notes. Okay, so all the content, entire chapter I written in a like we can say it, R&D, research and development. So in that way I have written that notes. Okay, I will try to provide. I'll try to provide. I will do it. So best possible way I'll give the notes, and this 4 chapter content also I'll provide. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. And so quiz time will be there in coming days. So I planned so many things. We'll do it. Okay, so we'll do it. And like, share, and subscribe. So you can share the video, ask them to join, and inform your friends also. I'm starting my own. So I'm starting my own, because so with my this tag, with this tag I'm starting my own. So that is confidence. Huh. Okay, it's fine, no problem. See, the point is, so you attending the class, learning the concept. That is a better way. That is a better way. No, no, no. I see. I understand. I understand. So no discussions. Only you will discuss about concept. Leave it about remaining things. So don't consider like that. So see. I already am saying. So only you 3 people are coming to the class and regularly following. That is what I want. That's enough. Remaining things don't consider. Don't discuss. Okay. So leave it about it. So continuous be follow the classes. Okay, Ayush. So Ayush. So I am asking you. So try to concentrate on uh, concepts. Okay, na? Try to concentrate on class. Okay. So it's my request. So Shivani also try to focus on concept, and Tanishk also, you also focus on class. So leave it about it. So Ayush, I am telling to you, just focus on class. Okay, na? So this is my request. See, in further overall entire year is there. One entire year we need to be with each other, and I will work out on it. So you also have to get the concept. So work out on the concept, focus on the concept, focus on studies, get best marks, and do good. So in life, that is what I want. That's enough. Remaining things don't consider, don't take it to heart, and don't go in a wrong way. So try to focus on class. That's enough. Okay, na? So I hope you do the best, and you do obey the rules and regulations. Continue. Okay, thank you, Tanishka. So I'm continuing. See, if you interrupt in middle of the class, see, I'm explaining all the points over this many years experience. So I am no giving to you, so you can learn in a better way, in a best possible way. I'm trying to tell. So try to work out on, and try to ask more questions related to subject. More questions related to subject you can ask. So surely I will respond. Okay. So diagram related to, so okay. So from light reflection, refraction, human and color fluid, magnetic effects of electric current. From this chapter, from these three chapters, surely diagram based questions will come. Diagram based questions from electricity only. Problem plus theory questions will come. So problem plus theory questions. Okay, problem plus theory questions. So these are the problem plus theory questions. We are working on it. So I'm trying to work out on it. We will work out I will explain now. Today electricity I will explain. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. So I'll clarify. Okay. So electricity, I am taking 3 or 4 classes again. After a completion of complete explanation, detailed explanation. Okay. So I will work out on problems also. So we are targeting 100 problems, more than 100 problems, and models. So it's not about only problems, it about models we need to cover. So we can do, see, I will tell one thing, we can do in one model 100 problems. In one model itself we can do 100 problems. So that is not no we don't want that one. We want models, number of models must be covered, number of models must be practiced. Okay na? So that is the reason. So that's why I'm asking. So we will work out on it. So we'll work out on light no electricity problems, electricity, 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 electricity. So the rate of flow of charge is called electric current. The rate of flow of charge is called electric current. I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. So rate of flow of charge. So Q is the charge, T is the time, I is the current. So I am considering here. So I is the current, Q is the charge, T is the time, T is the time. So current is, so SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of charge is coulomb, SI unit of charge is coulomb, and SI unit of time is second, SI unit of time is second, SI unit of charge is, SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of charge is coulomb, SI unit of charge is coulomb, SI unit of time is second, SI unit of time is second. I equal to Q by T, I equal to Q by T, I equal to Q by T. So I equal to Q by T. So we can say 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. So if you want, you can write running notes. So online notes, you can running notes, you can write. Okay. So meanwhile, it will be helpful for preparing on daily basis. You can go for running notes. Okay. So try to write I equal to Q by T. So SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of charge is coulomb, SI unit of time is second. So 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. 1 coulomb per 1 second. Clear? Right? So that's enough. So 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge. 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing through unit cross section area per second. 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing through unit cross section area per second. That is nothing but 1 ampere. 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing through unit cross section area per second. That is nothing but 1 ampere. So 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. So that is nothing but electric current. That is nothing but electric current. Okay. I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. Okay. So I'll tell one thing. So here you can go to WhatsApp. So my WhatsApp channel is there. Student the brand. Student the brand. You can student the brand. Student the brand. You can type the capital letters, all capital letters you can type, and join to the WhatsApp channel. I'll try to provide the notes. I'll try to provide the notes in WhatsApp channel. So if you have any doubts also, you can ask. Okay. So further details, this is the number you can ask. Okay, fine. So student the brand channel is there. So to that also you can check it. So view the channel. You can go and check the channel. Student the brand. So you can get it. Okay. Come to the point. So I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. So SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of charge is coulomb, SI unit of time is second. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb per second. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb per second. 1 ampere is defined as 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing through unit cross section area per second. 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing through 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing through unit cross section area per second. So actually here this area of the conductor, I am taking area of the conductor like this. So the ampere of current will go. So this area of the cross section. this area of the cross section. Current will go, current will pass through it, current will pass through it. Okay, so this is like this. So current is passing like this. So this area of the cross section, current is passing. So per unit second. So 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing through unit cross section area per second. So that is nothing but 1 ampere. So this is about electricity, I equal to Q by T. Next one we are talking about electrical appliances. We'll discuss electrical appliances based on that one. Electric circuit. Okay, so here I'm considering. So first point, what is this one? So first we'll go one by one. Cell. Now I'm talking about, this is the cell. This is the cell. So positive terminal, negative terminal, cell. So next one is a battery. This is a battery. Positive terminal, negative terminal. Next one, switch. So here this is the open switch. This is the closed switch. This is the open switch and closed switch. Next one. So we are going to the next. What is the next one? Cell. Cell, battery. Battery, switch. And this is the open switch. This is the closed switch. Okay, open switch and closed switch. Next one, resistor. This is the resistor. Here, this is the resistor. And rheostat. So here is the rheostat, you can see. This is the rheostat. So these points you can note down. Yes. So ammeter must be connected only in series. So voltmeter must be connected only in parallel. So why we have to connect ammeter only in series? So voltmeter only in parallel. Reason? Here ammeter has a low resistance device. Okay, it has low resistance. So ammeter has low resistance. Okay, it has low resistance. So the ideal ammeter value is 0. Ideal ammeter means, so it it does not oppose. It does not oppose any current. So that is ideal resistance. The resistance of ideal ammeter is 0. Resistance of ideal voltmeter is infinity. Once again, resistance of ideal ammeter is 0. Resistance of ideal voltmeter is infinity. So in the series, if you are connecting ammeter in series combination, so it allows the current. So what is required in the circuit? Current must flow. If the current is not flowing, remaining appliances does not glow. So current should flow. Then only remaining appliances will work. So if it is ideal resistance means the phenomenon of opposing the electric current. So resistance is 0, it does not oppose, current will go. So that's why if you are connecting series, it will allow the current, it measures the current, ammeter. Wherever you are connecting in parallel combination, so that if you are connecting parallel combination, so what happens? Then so it should allow. So if it is continuously allowing, appliances automatically heavy amount of current will pass through it, because now you can see voltmeter like a geyser, so washing machine, fridge, and grinder, and bulb, and next one like a TV. These type of appliances require different voltage. So if you taking the grinder and geyser, so it's required power. So more power, more voltage, more voltage. So more voltage is required. Okay, that time if you are connecting ammeter, so heavy amount of current, automatically ammeter will get slightly heated. At the same time, it has some fixed current. So it will measure the some fixed current only. Okay, 5 ampere to 15 ampere in householding. In industries, it will be like that. So 5 to 15 ampere only we will use generally, right? 5 to 15 ampere. So it has some fixed rating. If it is more current, it will go automatically. It's get heated if you connect it in parallel. So voltmeter. What is a voltmeter? Voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference. Voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference. Means some difference must be there. So if I take this beaker, I'm taking this beaker. So beaker is connected. Water is there here. Water is there. So water is, so if there is no difference, there is no height difference or anything, so water will not glow. So one beaker is kept a certain height, another beaker is kept a certain low, then automatically because of the difference, the water will flow. Here also, so in the circuit, in the connector, so it will be like this. If you connect the battery only, the difference will be there. High potential and low potential, then electrons will move. Then so charges will move, then current will be current will pass in the wire. So here one point will be more, another point will be less, then only some difference is there, there you have to connect the voltmeter, so then only it will measure. So if the current is passing, so if you connect the voltmeter in series combination, it does not show any reading. Okay, it does not have opposes, so it opposes. Okay, so it has a resistance. This much resistance is there, infinity resistance. If you are taking a ideal voltmeter, that's why ammeter should not connect it in parallel combination. Voltmeter should not connect in series combination. Clear? This is about ammeter. This is about voltmeter. Clear? Cell, battery, open switch, close switch, resistor, rheostat, and ammeter, voltmeter. Next one. So we can go for resistor and rheostat. I will explain. So anyway, cell, battery, open switch, close switch. Already you know about it. That is okay. Electrical appliances. I will explain about resistor and rheostat. Resistor and rheostat I will explain. So open switch and closed switch, when it is coming to the circuit, if open switch, if dot is not there, that is open switch. If dot is there, that is closed switch. So if you are taking the dot, this is a dot. If dot is there, this is a closed switch. If the dot is not there, that is open switch. Okay, so if you are connecting like a bulb, so I said bulb here, so bulb here, bulb if you are connecting, and switch like this. If it is connected, bulb will go. Anyway, switch way is there. So if it is not connected, this only switch, right? This only switch. Battery must be connected like this. Battery. Here battery, you have to connect battery. Then only bulb will glow. Okay, so here positive, negative, current will pass like this. So if it is dot is there, then it is closed switch. If dot is not there, that is open switch. Okay, so like this. That is about open switch and closed switch. Next one, resistor. This is the resistor. Resistor is a device which is oppose the electric current in the circuit. Resistor is a device which is used to oppose the electric current in the circuit. Okay, so this is a resistor. Resistor I am talking. Resistor. So resistor is a device. Resistor is a device which is used to oppose the electric current in the circuit. That is called resistor. So here resistance is there. Resistance and first point, second point, third point. So ohm I am considering ohm, and fourth point is symbol. So these 4 points are very important. You can note down. So here is the resistor, resistance, ohm, and symbol. Resistor, resistance, ohm, symbol. Resistor is a device. Resistor is a device which is used to oppose electric current. Resistor is a device. Resistance is the phenomena of opposing the electric current. Resistance is the phenomena of opposing the electric current. SI unit of resistance is ohm. SI unit of resistance is ohm. So symbol of resistance is this one. Okay. So that's enough. That is about resistance, resistor, resistance, and ohm. And then we'll go with the Rheostat. 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 Rheostat is like this. Rheostat, either symbol like this we can take, or we can take like this also. So any one symbol we can use. Any, so either this one or this one, both are same only. Rheostat is nothing but the device which is used to regulate the current without changing the voltage source. The device which is used to regulate the current. So you can take the fan switch, and without changing the device we can regulate the current. We can regulate the current. We can increase or decrease. We can increase or decrease, right? So what does the arrow represent in a rheostat symbol? Yes. So we are changing the current, right? So one, it's 1, 2, 3. This is a variable resistance. Variable resistance. So in the, you can see here in the fan, when you are operating the fan, so here it will be there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, 5. So we can change speed, means we can allow the electricity more, then automatically speed increases. Here also we are regulating the current. This is symbol represent variable changing. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, done. So it represents changing the changing the current without changing the voltage source. We are not changing the device. No, we are not changing the device. Without changing the device, so we are increasing and decreasing the current in the circuit. So that is called rheostat. That is called rheostat. And the next one, we are going to the next point is bulb. So bulb symbol already just now I explained here. This is the bulb. So next one, wire joining. So if any wire is there, if you want to join, symbol of wire joining is this one. Wire crossing. So without joining the wire, so over if wire like a junction, so you can see junction box, all the wires will go. So that is a junction box. So here I am taking, so wire joining, this is wire crossing. Wire joining and wire crossing. And next one, ammeter, voltmeter. So ammeter is used to measure the current. SI unit of ammeter. Ammeter is used to measure the electric current. Ammeter is used to measure the electric current. So physical quantity is current. Physical quantity is current. SI unit of current is ampere. Ampere you have to write small letter. SI unit of current is ampere. And third one is symbol. You have to take symbol. This is the symbol unit. SI unit of ampere. SI unit of SI unit of current is ampere. Ampere symbol. This is the symbol. Okay, SI unit of current is ampere. So this is the SI unit. Okay. So why I'm asking to write like this means, so in the exam they will ask like this only, SI unit of current. So what is the symbol of current? SI unit of current ampere. They will ask SI unit of current is ampere. So they will give the option. So what is the SI unit of current? SI unit of current. One is ampere. One is ampere. Another one is this one they will give. And third one both. And fourth one none. That is nothing but ABC can take. A, B, C, A, B, C, D. So like that they will ask. What is SI unit of current? So you know this one. You know this one, right? So you know this one. Yes, that is ampere symbol only. No, that is SI unit. You know, so you can mark it. So we can mark both. That is option C. Then it is wrong. They asked about SI unit, not symbol. So this question came. Very silly mistakes. Sir. So many of the students did this silly mistake. Actually, SI unit current they asked. So this is the symbol. This is not SI unit. SI unit current symbol is this one. So you have to be clear with the concept. Okay. So this is the SI unit ampere. SI unit of ampere. SI unit of current. Symbol is ampere. So capital letter we can take. This is the symbol. This is the SI unit. So like that questions they will ask. That's why I'm explaining in detail. Clear? So that is about current. Current is a physical quantity. Current is a physical quantity. Keep in mind this point. So I'll physical quantity. The quantity which can be only measurable. The quantity which can be measurable is called physical quantity. That is, current is a measurable quantity only, no? That's why it is called physical quantity. And the SI unit of current is ampere. Is this one. So like this. So like this questions I will ask. So make a note of it. Make a note of it. I will go to the potential difference. Next, I will go to the potential difference. Clear? Tanishka, are you there? Ayush also went. Savani completed, huh? Did you write? It is a vector, it is a scalar quantity. Current is a scalar quantity because it does not follow vector addition. Vector law. So it is a scalar quantity. So it does not follow vector law of addition. That's why. Okay, shall I go? Remaining students are Tanishka is there? She went. Oh. Ayush also went. Okay, done. So okay, Svani. So make a note of it. I'm starting the next concept. So whoever comes, whatever the situation it is. So class we have to go through it, right? So that's why. Next one we are going to that potential difference. Potential difference. Potential difference. Here, potential difference is a physical quantity. Potential difference. Potential difference is a physical quantity. So SI unit of potential difference is volt. SI unit of potential difference is volt. Volt symbol. Okay. So we can take V, potential difference. So potential difference can be measured with the device of voltmeter. Voltmeter. Voltmeter will be connected parallel combination. Parallel combination. See, if you are reading one concept, so related to that concept, all points you have to write in one place. If you write all the points in one place, so it's like a link. It's like a link. You can't break the chain. You can't, individual parts you may forget, but you can't forget the link. See, potential difference is, and one more thing, this is a physical quantity. This is the physical quantity. Like that, all points you have to work out. Physical quantity. Sir, why you are saying this? This points also. These are very basics. Even in the 6th standard, this point is there. So in 10th class also we'll use the same point because so resistors are in series, resistors are in parallel. When that comes, so which physical quantity is constant in series combination? Current. So current is the physical quantity. So current is same, and in parallel combination, if you see potential difference. So in parallel combination, potential difference is the physical quantity which is constant. So whereas series combination, current is a physical quantity is same. Okay. So like this type of questions they will ask. That's why I'm writing physical mention. So physical quantity, potential difference is a physical quantity. So SI unit of potential difference is volt. So potential difference can be measured with the device. So voltmeter. Voltmeter will be connected in parallel combination. So like that, it's like a series. It's like a link. Okay. So okay. So we do our work. We do our work. That is only my point. We do work. Okay. So that's enough. So leave it about other points. So come to the point. Potential difference is a physical quantity. So thank you so much, Swani. So I'm happy. See, it's not about I'm teaching. So the students who are listening and asking questions, then I can teach more content. I'll go in depth of the topics. So that is what I am thinking. So that's why I am teaching more and more. Okay, come to the point. So potential difference is a physical quantity. So here SI unit of potential difference is volt. So potential difference is measured with voltmeter. So here you have to write like this: SI unit. SI unit. This is the SI unit, and this is the device, and this one is connection, parallel combination, parallel combination. Okay, so like this, so you can mention. So potential difference is a physical quantity. SI unit of potential, SI unit of potential difference. It's not about C. It's not about voltmeter. It's not SI unit for voltmeter. So it is SI unit for potential difference. That is a physical quantity. So the quantity which can be measurable. That is a physical quantity. See, MCQ's point of view, these points are very, very important. MCQ's point of view, these points are very, very important. MCQ's point of view, because so we are going in depth of the topic. When you are going through the in depth of the topic, so we need to discuss very clearly, very clearly. So crystal clear, if you learn the concept, so we can answer any question, any type of question, however they will ask, whatever the way they will ask, we can answer it. So potential difference, physical quantity. SI unit of potential difference is volt. So potential difference is measured by voltmeter. It is a device. So voltmeter will be connected parallel combination. So that is very important. See, interlinked point. So one after another. So it is like a point. Voltmeter. Why we should not connect voltmeter here internally? So background of this point, there is one more point is hidden. One more question is hidden. Why we should not connect voltmeter in series combination? Okay, that's so voltmeter. See, volt is a SI unit of potential difference or voltmeter here. So sometimes may get confused. So either voltmeter or some. So we immediately we will say what is the SI unit of potential difference? Voltmeter, like that they will say. So it's wrong. Right? It's a device. We should understand it is a device. So it is a physical quantity. The quantity which can be measurable. Clear? Okay, so this is about potential difference, and a symbol already we given, and this is the circuit electrical appliance symbol, electrical appliances symbol. So thank you, Shivani, for compliment. So shall I go to the next one? So that is about resistor and rheostat. Already we discussed about resistor and rheostat. So then I'm going to the next one. That is about I'll ask one thing. So you can inform your friends, those who are there, those who need the physics classes. You can inform, ask them to join at 9 o'clock class, so they can also get benefited along with you. Win-win situation. You can win, and remaining also they can win, and everyone will win-win. So this is the win-win situation. So ask your friends. So you can inform your friends about the class. So ask them to join to the 9 o'clock. At least ask them to try. Okay, so you no need to worry about it. Just to join to the class and listen. So if you like it, you can continue. If not, also no problem. Like that, just inform. Let them. They will take the decision. Okay, done. Come to the point. So electricity. So electrical appliances completed. Then we will go to the conventional and electric current. Conventional current. First point is conventional current. Conventional current. Conventional current. Second one is electric current. Electric current. Electric current. So here very important, conventional current and electric current. So what is the meaning of these two statements? What is the meaning of these two statements? So why we are taking these two statements? Why we have to take two currents instead of one? Why we have to take two currents? Okay. So current is nothing but the rate of flow of charge. Here we are talking about only charge. Here we are talking about only charge, but here there are two types of charges are there. One is positive charge, another one is negative charge. Positive charge is proton, positive charge is proton, negative charge is electron, negative charge is electron, positive charge is proton, negative charge is electron. So here the flow of positive charges. So initially I already explained about electrical appliances, right? So I can happily write the draw the circuit diagram. So I am considering like this. So current will pass, this bulb is glowing up, so this current, okay. So here before finding electron, proton, neutron, so already they given, so scientists who are given the statement, so the current is passing from flow positive negative, positive terminal to negative terminal, positive terminal to negative terminal, positive terminal to negative terminal. So the flow of positive charges is considered as a current, uh, current already given. So but after finding the proton, electron, so they understood actually by the flow of positive charges current will not flow in the circuit, only by the flow of electrons, by the flow of electrons only the current will pass through the circuit. That's why, so after realizing that, after realizing this thing, so they could not change. So if you change, they experimented, whatever however they did hard work so many years, so years onwards, scientists were worked, right, so on applications and theorems like that. So if whoever taken this statement as their basic point or in the theorems, so if you change the statement again, the and work will be, again it will be like no use. So again we cannot change entire the experiments, entire things. That's why instead of changing everything, we can change this one, no, we can change the statement. So one example I will tell, so related to this one. So I like that example, that's why every time I will really, whenever I'm teaching this point, especially this point, so I will teach that attempt. I will teach maths. Actually, I completed BTech, so I completed BTech mechanical. Okay, so I can teach math, but physics is my favorite subject. That's why I am okay. So that's the reason. We'll work out on it. Okay, so I'll check it once. So you can contact if you need further details regarding remaining subjects. You can contact this number. I will let you know. Okay, na, Suvani? Okay, come to the point. So we will work out one example. I asked, I said no. So the example is one king is there. So he want the kingdom, entire kingdom. So must be in the form of greenery. So the king thought like that. So he informed everyone in the kingdom. So go and color it and plant the trees. Like that, he is saying to everyone, go and make the kingdom into the greenery like that. So he is spending lot of money, lot of money. A lot of money means like workers and cost of products and applying it, there are this huge amount. So no one is opposing the king, because he's a king, right? He's a king. So no one is opposing. So suddenly one of the person no slowly is coming with a lot of fear, with a lot of fear. He came to the king and saying like this, so king, so I will tell one point, so don't mind, so if you don't like it, so don't punish me. So I want to say this thing to you, that's why I am coming like that and saying. So you are no, you want the kingdom in the form of so into the greenery, no form, so into the greenery, right? So instead of spending this much amount, so better if you buy a green color glass and wear, so everything will appear in the form of greenery only, right? So instead of wasting this much amount, if you buy, like that time it is a polite. So king, so please try to understand. Instead of spending this much, you can wear a specs with green color glasses. Then automatically we can see everything in the form of greenery, right? So here also see, instead of changing entire all experiments, all their wasting their all the hard work. So instead of doing entire this thing, so if you change a small thing, that is definition. If you change a small sentence, see sometimes it's going into the motivation. So, but it's required. It's required. So teaching is not only teaching the facts, teaching the content. So if it is required, we need to tell some important points. Just I want to say one point, then I will learn, because already 10 o'clock. So if I continue also, it will take time. So concept, it will take time. So that's why I will tell one small point and will end. So 9 to 10, 9 to 10, I will take the class every day. So remaining students, those who are there, so please do like and share and subscribe my channel. Shivani, please suggest to your friends, ask them to join to the live class. So if it is required, you can ask them to. So contact me if it is required. So if they want, so they completely purely depends on them and depends on you also. Okay. So come to the point. Next one. Here, see, we do lot of work. We do lot of work day and night. We'll wake up and morning, sacrificing the morning hours, evening hours, late nights. We'll work so much hard for reaching our goals and destination. So that time we couldn't able to do our no, we couldn't able to reach our targets. We couldn't able to reach our targets. But still, if you are not reaching, does not mean you will not succeed in the life. You will not succeed in the future. You will not succeed in the goals. Maybe there's a better opportunity, better way to do, or you can change the method, you can change the way. Instead of that, so struggling, fearing, so someone is getting good marks, someone is getting highest marks. So we should not go into that. Whomever it is, whatever it is, wherever it is, however it is. So take the positive feedback, take so your thoughts, observe your, so take one best decision. If it is not working, if you're doing hard work, but if you're not getting results, so try your best. Try your best. I will tell one example, one live example. This channel nearly I am working from past 5 years onwards. This channel is 5 years old. I am working so hard. You can see so many experiments, so many things. I will show you. I will take one class. Thank you so much. Actually, I am very interested, very much interested. I want this combination, teaching plus motivation. That's why I am working on it. Surely, I'll work out on it. Yeah. So I want to tell about my channel. See, this channel is 5 years old. You can check in that. So when it is started, 5 years old. So there are many experiments, many experiments. Literally, I did many experiments. So some people literally directly scolding. So you can't do what is this? What is this type of teaching? What is this type of teaching? Okay, they said so many things to me. So even however I'm teaching also. So they said so many things. What is this teaching? How you are teaching? So anyone will teach like this, like that. But so instead of taking all those comments and going into the negative situation, instead of that, let's comment and take positive points and change the things according to your way. Okay, like that. So still I am working. I'm doing my best. So hoping one day, so it will reach to the people, it will reach to the right people in a right way. So I'm hoping in that. So I am doing my hard work, that's enough. So even see, I did day and night these experiments, everything. So even until 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, sometimes 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, until 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I woke up and did the activities and experiments. I will show you one class. So if it is possible, whatever the experiments I made, whatever the experiment I did, so that I will show you. I will show you. So so even I am planning, I am thinking, so one day it will reach to the people whom this no, this type of teaching is required, necessary, and important, and will they will understand. So that's that I'm hoping for that. I'm hoping for that. I'm working for that. So hoping for the best. Still I am very strongly moving towards no right direction. So one day it will reach, one day it will reach, surely. I'm thinking in that way only. So be patient, work your work, no, do your work. That's enough. Only two quotations. So I am following right now. So be patient. So be patient in your work. Do your work, do your best. So go in a right direction. So one day it will reach, so one day it will go. I will show you the outcomes and whatever the hard work I did, whatever the efforts I kept. So everything is there, everything is there. I'll show you. I'm taking the classes, I'm going with the content. So content point of view, so we'll see. Okay. So thank you, Sevani, for no, giving positive notes, positive vibes. So supporting. Thank you so much. And inform your friends. Inform your friends. Let them also know about the channel. Let them also know about teaching. See, if content is good, you can support. So that is only I'm saying. So content is good or not, you can check. So work out on it. So thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much. And that's enough for today class. So we'll meet. We'll see in the actually 6 o'clock also I'm taking remaining topics. If you're there, so you can join. Even 3 o'clock. That time 3 o'clock. Not to 3 o'clock. Uh, 3 o'clock break is there. So two to three also I'm taking class. So that's fine. So 6 o'clock you can join. If you want, you can join at 6 o'clock. Okay, na? Tomorrow. Tomorrow 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So but 9 o'clock is fixed for everyone. Thank you so much. So yes. Thank you so much. Signing off. Bye. Thank you.